guys, it's Patriot Gaming. Welcome back to today's video. First off, there is going to be something different about today's video. I am going to be using my phone to get a different angle because today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the LEGO Speed Champions Ferrari F40 Competizione. This is set number 75890. This is 198 pieces. And here is a 360 of the box. To go over some of the pictures on the back, there's a rear view of the car. Here is a picture of the little racer mechanic guy and the back of the car with some additions you can put on it. Here's the additions you can put on it. You can customize it, and here's a picture of the real car. And then here is the picture of the Ferrari logo. So let's get into it. Here is the chassis. The rim pieces. One bag. More rim pieces. Stickers. Another bag. Instruction booklet. There it is. And then the last bag. So here's all the pieces. Here's the booklet. I will cut so then we can do the building montage. end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit the like button if you did. Subscribe if you want more Lego and time-lapse content. Alright guys, cheers.